So one of the things for people, in this category, and I would say people with IDD in general, is that, they're always being told, to do like somebody else, right? So I'm going to show you how to do something, then you do it, right? But intensive interaction is where you actually do what the person is doing. And so if the person is, sitting, maybe they're sitting in a wheelchair, you can see YouTube videos of this intention, again, mostly done in the UK. And they're going like this on the tray of the wheelchair. And then the caregiver will go and also do that. And then after a while, you'll see that they're seeing that someone is doing what they're doing, and then they will do something else, and then the caregiver does that thing. And it becomes like a communicative dance almost, where you're communicating with a person, and you can sometimes see where the person will start to smile or laugh, because you do get smiling and laughing. And of course, if they can point, we want to work on pointing. I think you can get a lot done with pointing. You can hold up two things, a person. It doesn't have to be a point like this. It could be a gesture towards something, like, again, like a baby might, go for something. And so you can kind of tell what the person wants. And so trying to build in as much self-determination as you can, and also seeing what the behavior is. And then I just think it's such a great idea to be able to have them take the lead.